Hey guys, welcome back to Indian Regional Recipes. I hope you all are doing great. Today's video we are going to see how to make papaya salad. Many of you must be aware of papaya salad if you ever have been into Bangkok or Thailand. They sell it everywhere on the streets. This is like an appetizer whenever you just don't feel like eating anything. Just make this salad and eat it. This will awaken all your taste buds, trust me on this. This is full of flavors: sour, sweet, crisp, crunchy, nutty, salty, spicy, everything. Alright, so all the ingredients to prepare this papaya salad I have listed on the screen. You can follow that. I'm taking a fresh raw papaya. I just removed the skin and I'm just chopping it. Just give a chop, and then just slice into a thin layer. You just have to hold it tight, and also you have to be careful with your fingers. You might get hurt. If you think you cannot do this, then you can take out the juliennes with the help of julienne peeler. In the market it's very much available everywhere. Alright, just put the juliennes in the ice water, which will make our papaya juliennes crunchy and crisp. Just leave it over there for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, just take a mortar and pestle. I'm using here a stone mortar pestle that was smaller size. Generally the authentic recipe, when they make it, they use a bigger size wooden mortar and pestle, which I don't have, so I'm just making it in a stone grinder. I'm adding 6 to 7 garlic cloves and 2 red chilies. Generally they use Thai chilies, but I don't have Thai chilies at my end, so I'm just using the red chilies, normal red chilies, along with some jaggery and some salt. Now we have to pound all of them. Just crush them very well. Ensure that they all are crushed into very smaller pieces, tiny pieces. There are no big chunks. And then also you have to ensure the jaggery is dissolved with the red chilies and the garlic. After that, add some lemon juice, and here I'm adding the lemon pieces as well. I personally would like to have them in the salad. I just eat it up. You might not like it. I still request that you just add the lemon pieces into it, crush them, but if you don't like it, just remove it and throw it. I just soaked some tamarind and extracted some pulp. I am adding that pulp also here, along with some fish sauce, and I'm also adding 1 tomato. If you have that bigger size mortar pestle, then you just have to first crush jaggery, garlic and chilies, and then add all of these vegetables at a time and just mix all of them thoroughly. Take some peanuts, roast them, remove the skin and crush them and keep it ready. And also take some dry prawns. Dry prawns needs to be cleaned, like remove the head, tail and the skin, everything, and just dry roast them and make into pieces and keep it handy. Now once I shifted everything into a bowl, and now I'm adding the long beans. You have to take fresh long beans. The young longer beans would work really well because we can eat it raw. So just have to crush them and again add it into the bowl. As I told you, I don't have a bigger mortar pestle, otherwise I would have done everything together. So here I'm using a smaller mortar pestle, therefore I'm crushing one by one. So there is no thumb rule as such, like this needs to be crushed first or that needs to be crushed later or something like that. It's just that the chilies and jaggery, the salt and the lemon juice and the garlic, all these has to be dissolved and mixed all together, and then only the flavors will enhance. Now take all of them together in a bowl. Garnish it with roasted and crushed peanuts and with dry prawns. Well, instead of dry prawns, you can also add crab. I have seen many people eating crab with papaya salad. They, I think, boil or they steam it, or they deep fry it, I think, crab. I'm not very well aware how do they make it, but for sure many places they add crab. Guys, as I told you, this is just a blast of flavors. Try this once, you would never get bored of it. Whenever you even think of it, you will get your mouth starts watering. This is so yummy, so tasty. It's full of flavors, as I told you. I hope you like this video. If you like it, and if you think the video has been useful to you, then please subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please do not forget to press the bell icon to get notifications. And the same video is available in 2 more languages. The links have been given in the description box. You can find that. And if there is any particular video that you would want me to make an post, do let me know in the comment box. I'm glad to make the video. Thank you so much, guys. Please try this recipe and do let me know how do you find this.